Well, I have to go ahead and do a voiceover on this one. I started off with my Royal Crown hairdressing to put around my edges and on my hair just to protect it before I do my hair coloring. Y'all have been here before, but I wanted to go ahead and just do an updated hair coloring process, what I do. So now I just rub that hairdressing all over, and we're going to go ahead and get ready to mix up our BW2 and our developer in order to get the hair shop popping. I'm just explaining right there the little bucket that I use. That's just an old BW2 bucket that I use in order to mix up everything. I just keep it handy for future use. So that's about it. This is my number 50 developer that I use. This is one that I get from Amazon, actually. So everything will be linked down below. I don't want to keep saying that over and over again. And this container looks a little different, but it is the same as BW2. It is the basic white extra strength powder lightener. This is what I use as the powder. And it comes with a scooper. I just take 2 scoops. And we'll pour in about a scoop or so of this. Just enough to make it a creamy paste. Mix it up. And it depends on how much hair you have as to how much you're going to use this. So really no rhyme or reason to that, but just a creamy consistency is what you're looking for. Mixed it up with a little rat tail comb, and I just begin to put it in. And now that that's sitting there, what I'm going to do is just take me a little KIWI seed oil, put it under my eyes to kind of start the process of depuffing this morning. Oh yes. That's what we're going to do there. And that's it right now. So let me just talk about my favorite shampoo and conditioner right now. Has been the Native Coconut and Vanilla Shampoo. I've actually been using this one for several months. If y'all paid attention on my shower routine, I did a coconut and vanilla shower routine, and man, I was hooked on this shampoo ever since then. And along with that, I also use the Native conditioner as well. And the real reason why I love these, they smell good, they help my hair to feel good, and I love what they stand for with such clean beauty, and that's one of the best reasons. They're made safe, simple, and effective. Love that for them. But along with that, since I do have the color treated hair, just to kind of take off some of the brassiness, because a lot of times I've rocked my hair looking yellow as hell. It doesn't matter. It didn't matter. But I have been toning it up a little bit more now lately. I use the Shimmer Lights conditioner after I use those. This is for blonde and silver hair. So I use this and I've been loving that. But along with that, I also, if you recall, I use the Bumble and Bumble leave-in conditioning toner kind of stuff as well. Just trying to get a little bit of that, yellowness out of the hair and make it look real cute. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and let this sit for several minutes, probably another 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower and wash it out. So I'll be back when I do all of that, okay? And then we'll talk about products I use to style my hair with. Y'all remember S-Curl? Yes, ma'am. I'm still old school with it. And this is great for actually moisturizing my natural hair. And it can be used on permed hair as well. But my hair is natural other than the color in it. But it helps to pretty much be like a leave-in conditioner for my hair. And it's not greasy, but it definitely helps to soften, and it'll also help to detangle your hair as well if you need that. But I get this one from Amazon. You can get it at any beauty supply store out there. Luster's S-Curl, no drip. The next product that I'm currently using is this Carol's Daughter curly hair products. This is the hair milk, the leave-in moisturizer for curls and coils and waves. Now this one I'm using, I do mix all these products, but this is one that I definitely more than likely will not purchase again. It really didn't do what I wanted it to do, but I did pick up a couple of Carol's Daughters products off of Amazon, and this one is not doing it for me. So it's being used for now, but not later. Okay. I can't tell y'all enough. I'm old school Royal Crown hairdressing. You saw me put this on my hair early when I was preparing to do the hair color. This is what I use nowadays, because the one thing about color treated hair, it's bleached out, it gets dry, and you definitely need something that will help to lock in moisture, and this helps in that process. So again, old school, and again, Amazon is where I picked it up at. So just check out the links down in the description box. And sometimes I do use this even prior to putting on my other products after I have already washed my hair. All right, this next product is the Schwarzkopf Smooth and Shine. I again get these products from off of Amazon. I love to order from Amazon. Y'all already know the deal, but this one helps to really define my hair, and I think it probably contains a good amount of glycerin in it because it really helps my hair to be very soft and, you know, really manageable, because it does help with taming flyaways and keeping my hair pretty much in order. I love this one. There was another brand that I used to use that was called Smooth and Shine. It does not exist anymore, so this is the one that I found that was closest to that product. But I love this one a lot as well. But occasionally I have to make sure my hair is very moisturized in the scalp, because I think this really dries my scalp out a little bit. I don't know why, but it dries it out a little bit and tends to make it itch. But if I have all of the moisture in, like putting the Royal Crown on, you know, and moisturizing my scalp, I have no problems with it at that point. And the last item, I know y'all can say finally, is VO5. This one was introduced to me, and oh my gosh, Angela Perry, I want to say that's who told me about the VO5. Been loving it ever since. Again, another hairdressing product, but this one has the blue tone in it, which will, or purple tone, I think it's purple, that tames that yellowish tone that can be in your blonde hair or gray hair. It definitely does that, and I love, love, love it. And this one, I don't really dress my hair, you know, put it all over in my scalp and all of that. I do that with the Royal Crown, but for this one, it's more like a topper that I put on to kind of, again, tone down the yellowing of the hair. Something that I'm kind of getting into. I never cared about it before, but nowadays I want that more really platinum looking look. So that's why I'm going with this. But these are all of the products, and once I get all the products that I like on my hair, or that I prefer using in my hair, what I use is this little container here, and I just mix up a certain portion of each one of them, other than the hairdressing greases. I don't put those in here, but I use the other products like the S-Curl and also the hair milk from Carol's Daughter. Mix those all up in here, and I'll have them readily available anytime I want to actually want to put them on my hair. So that's how I do that. Well, I'm sorry, the lighting is not that good right now, but this is the hair. I'm out of the shower and love it. And I'm getting ready to style it here. All right, products are on, and yeah. Of course, I started with the VO5 first and give it a little bit of massage into the scalp as well to help get it all moisturized as well. And then with the hair, so this is it. And I just kind of fluff the top up a little bit here. I'm done. And she's done. And she's done. That's it. Bada bing. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. I'm out of here. Let me get ready for my day. Y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.